course Entrepreneurial Software Development and Management, that is ESDM. I am Professor Poonam Shinde, Assistant Professor at IT Department PICT Pune. So today I am going to talk about Agile Methodology. This topic is a core part of our subject ESDM. So let's dive into why Agile has become the industry standard. Yes, so you can see this slide. So before we talk about Agile, we have to understand why project fails. Yes, traditional methods assume everything is predictable, but in reality, customers often don't know what they want until they see it, right? So priority change, and it's hard to solve the needs of many stakeholders simultaneously. We are also historically bad at estimating tasks, and unpredictable stuff always happens during development. Especially, we need way to determine the most important features, the 80-20 rule, before the product is even built. So you can see here, this is one example. So designing a software application is like designing a boat. Means you spend lots of hours locating the ideal material and testing engine for customer specification, and you create a boat, and after deployment of that boat, once when you are done with the customer all the requirements, customer came and tell you, great job, we love this boat, but there is one just little one thing, we need it to fly. So this is the last time change of customer requirements. So this is the big failure of your software. So what is the solution for it? So to fix these problems, the Agile Manifesto was created. Yes, so it is not a strict set of rules but a value system. We have come to value individuals and interactions over processes, working software over documentation, then customer collaboration over contracts, and responding to change over following a rigid plan. While we still value the item on the right, we value those on the left more. Yes. So what to do and why the Agile is born. So you can see here, so this image explains why Agile methodology is born. So first of all, the one man or one says that we are going to try something called Agile programming. Means what? No more planning, no more documentation, just start writing a code and compile it. So that's why the Agile is born. So basically Agile is what? Our highest priority on is satisfying the customer. So we directly see, yes, so there's all the Agile manifestos, just I told you. So first of all, we'll see the different Agile principles. Yes, so we have 12 Agile principles. So first of all, our highest priority is satisfying the customer through early and continuous delivery. Then we exactly welcome changing requirements even late in the project, because it gives the customer a competitive advantage. Then we deliver working software frequently, ideally every few weeks. Yes. Then fourth one is, to make this work, business people and developer must work together on daily basis. Then fifth one is, we build a projects around motivated people and give them a trust that they need to get a job done. And sixth one is, and because of communication is a key, we prioritize face-to-face communication. So these are the 6 Agile principles. Then 7th principle in Agile, working software is primary measure of the progress. Then 8th one is, we promote the sustainable development so teams can maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Yes. Then 9th one is, we don't sacrifice quality. Technical excellence and good design actually enhance the ability of our software. Then 10.1 is we also value the simplicity, the art of maximizing the work not done is essential. Yes. And finally, we trust the self-organizing teams to create. Yes, you can see here the 11th one. So we trust self-organizing teams to create the best architecture, and we stop at the regular intervals to reflect and tune our behavior. So these all about the principles behind the Agile Manifesto. Yes, so here we define the defining the Agile methodology. So what exactly the Agile software development is? Yes, so it is a methodology that values flexibility, collaboration and customer satisfaction. It is an interactive and incremental approach. Instead of a big reveal at the end, we work in close collaboration with the customer to ensure the product meets their needs as it grows. Yes, so this is all about the Agile software development. This is how we define Agile software. Then why to use Agile? Yes, so Agile is more than a process, it's a mindset. So it empowers team members and creates an upbeat environment. Yes, it allows for a quick response to change, which is vital in fast moving tech sectors. Then through regular demonstrations, stakeholders get full transparency into progress and issues. We use cross-functional teams that shares information more effectively. So these are the 4 points for using Agile methodology. Yes, Agile as a mindset, quick response to change, then regular demonstrations and cross-function teams. Yes, so this is the Agile software development process. The Agile software or Agile process includes requirement gathering, then planning, development, testing, maintenance and deployment. Our key principle here are deep customer involvement, incremental delivery and focusing on our customer rather than processes. We embrace change in design and actively work to eliminate complexity to maintain the simplicity. Yes, so these are the principles of Agile methods. First one is customer involvement. So our key principle is what? Customer involvement. So Agile is mainly focused on customer involvement, then incremental delivery, then people not a process. The skill of the development team should be recognized and exploited. Yes, then embrace change, expect the system requirements to change and so design the system so accommodate these changes and it maintains the simplicity. Yes, so this is the difference between waterfall model and Agile. We can easily compare a waterfall model with an Agile methodology. So let's compare this to the traditional waterfall model. So waterfall model uses a detailed rigid plan where Agile uses a dynamic plan. Then waterfall model delivers a functionality only at the end, where Agile gives incremental increments every 30 days or less than 30 days. We have project manager in waterfall, where in Agile a team self management we have. Then in waterfall model requirement analysis we have. Then in Agile we have customer working with development team. So in every iteration we have customers. So it is transparent process, and we have in waterfall model we have traditional reports, documentation parts, where in Agile we just have communication. So we see this, we saw this in previous image where the boss is saying no, we don't want any documentation, any traditional process. We just start with the coding and we have execution part. So this is what about the reports and documentation. So this is the comparison, the fair comparison between waterfall and agile. Yes, so in agile implementations we have multiple methodologies. So we have extreme programming, then scrum, iterative development, kanban, and so on. So we are going to see in next videos what exactly the scrum is, how it works, and what exactly the XP programming, or we can call it as a extreme programming, and how it works. So we are going to see in next slides. Yes, so this is all these all the benefits of agile. The benefits are clear across the board. Customers get high value features faster. Yes, development teams do work that is actually valued. Then executive gets, or that scrum master gets high visibility in the project status, so that can plan with less speculations. Yes, so this is all about the benefits of your agile system. Yes, to conclude, let's test our knowledge. So first we have some quiz questions here. So first question is, agile methodology was born mainly to address which issue? Yes, whether it is hardware limitations, rigid project planning, customer changing requirements, and lack of programming language. So what will be an answer? Yes, so right answer is changing customer requirements. Or yes, what will be the answer? Right answer, rigid project planning. Yes, so agile methodology was born mainly to address rigid project planning. Right answer. Yes, so next question is, agile processes welcome changing requirements even. Options are before project starts, after project completion, late in development, and only during planning. Yes, so it welcomes late in development. So agile processes welcome changing requirements even if it is late in development. Right. So third question is, what is the primary measure of the progress in agile? Questions are completed documentation, number of meetings, working software, and budget utilization. Yes, so what will be the right answer? Is any guesses? Working software is a primary measure of our agile progress. Yes, thank you everyone. The more you learn, the more you grow. Thank you so much.